Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to mute an account on X without unfollowing or blocking them. If you want to clean up your feed while staying connected, this feature is a great option. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your device. Once you're on the home screen, navigate to the account you want to mute. You can do this by searching for their username or finding one of their posts in your timeline. Once you're on their profile, look for the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Tap on it, and you'll see a list of options. From here, select Mute. A confirmation message will pop up, letting you know that by muting this account, you won't see their posts in your timeline, but they won't know they've been muted. Simply tap Yes, I'm sure to confirm. And that's it. You've successfully muted an account on X. Now, their tweets won't appear in your feed, but you can still visit their profile anytime. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.